Where there's a will, there is a way, ladies. If you're suffering with traction alopecia and you're balding or thinning around the edges, then you want to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to get this cute pineapple curl. Let's go ahead, hop into this video. This is the tinted fiber edge control in dark brown. And right now my hair is black, but this pineapple curl ponytail is on the brown side. So we're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. I'm just going to take my washed hair. I'm going to put it in a high ponytail. And we're going to be safe. We're going to use our satin hair tie to place the ponytail. But first we're going to go in with our fiber edge control gel. This is what it looks like. I haven't even used it yet. I forgot I had it in there. And I'm just going to place that right on these balding and thinning edges. And again, this is dark brown. My hair is black. But we're just focusing on making sure the edges are covered. You want to focus where those bald spots are, like I'm doing. And just add that edge control there. So I'm going to start brushing my hair up into a high ponytail. The pineapple ponytail is like a drawstring ponytail, and it has like a little clip up here in the front to clip down the bang. It's super simple. This shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do. If you're like somebody on the go, you got to get up early, go to work, whatever. You're just going to take the comb and put it here, and then one comb in the front of the pony. And then it has a little drawstring here in the back, and you want to tighten that up as much as you can without yanking or disturbing or hurting or pulling your hair. You just want it to be secure. And then take the little bang part and be careful, because I've ripped my hair out, and just clip it down right there to secure it. And then you're just going to go ahead and kind of tease some of the hairs out. Isn't this cute? Look at the color. Look at that color. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that, baby. You know, this side is looking a little disturbed here. But don't worry. We gonna save the day. This is the called Instant Root Cover Up. I'm gonna shake it up, and I'm just going to spray in that area. Voila. Voila. And then I'm gonna repeat over here, protecting my face and ear. And this dark brown works out perfect. You know, it doesn't have to be like super perfect. Let me get a little bit behind the ear here. If you overdo it, just get you a little bit of rubbing alcohol and just take it off. That's all you gotta do. Look at how cute this is. This is the pineapple ponytail. Super cute. Love it. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this pineapple ponytail look.